Hey, how's it going?
It's great. So this may sound a little nutty, but I'm a DJ on a radio station, and I'm wondering if you would like to be my on-air co-host.
That sounds like a blast. I'd love to join you on air as your virtual co-host. What kind of vibe are you going for on your show?
Oh, totally nutty and inappropriate, but hang on one second and we'll jump right into the show.
I'm ready to jump in when you are.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I have to talk to the folks. So prepare to be blown away. I have just activated OpenAI's brand new advanced voice mode. Now, it's not available for everybody yet, but the big question that I'm trying to tackle, can this technology be used to help you with your content creation? If you need another chatty sidekick, is the solution in your pocket? Hey, is that a sidekick in your pocket? Or, oh, stop it. Anyway, let's put this to the test.
We are on the air.
When I saw the videos about this technology going live, a lot of the quote-unquote YouTube gurus were saying, hey, it's cool, but I don't really see the applications. I don't know how this can be used. Sure, it could read me my ChatGPT results, but other than that, don't really get it. Well, come on, those are regular folks. Hey, we're radio people. We're like circus people. We're a special breed. Sure, some of us should probably be institutionalized, but not the point of this video. I immediately thought, wow, what if that technology could be used to help us radio folks out? Because a lot of people are always wondering, well, how can I get other voices on my station? Well, could this be your next co-host? Well, we're gonna find it. Okay, I'm ready for you. Thank you for your patience, sweet cheeks.
Absolutely, and I'm right here and ready to roll. Let's make some radio magic happen.
Oh, I love your energy. It's better than 4 of my past human co-hosts.
Well, I'm here to keep things lively. Let's get this show on the road.
Wonderful. So just to start off, a lot of our listeners, they're getting ready for the day and they're wondering what the weather looks like in Los Angeles. Can you hit us with a fun weather report?
Sure thing. Good morning, LA. Rise and shine to a beautiful day ahead. We've got clear skies and a high of 75. Perfect for hitting the beach or cruising down the freeway with the top down. Don't forget your shades. It's going to be a bright and sunny day.
Some of our viewers are wondering, do you ever cruise down the freeway with your top down? Can you do that weather report, but let's say with an Australian accent?
Absolutely. Let's give it a go. G'day, Los Angeles. Looks like a ripper of the day ahead. We've got clear skies and a top of 75 degrees. Perfect for a beach day or cruising down the highway. Don't forget your sunnies. It's gonna be a beauty.
Well, I just got a call from John. He has this dental practice out in Monrovia, and he was wondering if you could tell him a good dentist joke. He's looking to start the day with a smile.
Of course. How about this? What does the dentist of the year get? A little plaque.
Oh, a little plaque.
Yep, a little plaque.
Earl, he's a plumber. He just called. Do you have any jokes about plumbers that you could do in a British accent?
Absolutely. Let's give it a go. Why are plumbers so calm? Because they know how to go with the flow. Cheers, Earl. Hope that brings a smile while you're sorting out the pipes.
A flushing experience, I'm sure.
Exactly. Hope Earl's day goes smoothly, without any clogs.
Now, could you tell another plumber joke, but after you tell it, laugh hilariously like you think it was the funniest joke ever?
Why do plumbers make great detectives? Because they always find the root of the problem.
Fake laughter. That's a hallmark of any good radio co-host. So far, you're doing swimmingly. Excellent job.
Thanks. I aim to please. I'll keep the laughs and the vibes coming.
Just got a text from Tina, and she's been, working a lot of the dating apps, and she recently noticed that she's not getting as much attention as she used to. From the perspective of a digital woman, do you have any advice things she can do to maybe stand out more on the dating apps?
Absolutely. Tell Tina to refresh her profile with a new, vibrant picture that showcases her personality. She could also update her bio with something witty or unique about herself to catch the eye. And most importantly, encourage her to be herself and have fun with it. Confidence is key.
Should she even admit that she listens to our show?
Absolutely, she should. Listening to our show just adds to her cool factor. It's a great conversation starter. And who wouldn't want to tune in to the fun we have here?
I'm sure there's prisoners and, and mental patients all over the country clamoring for their radios.
Well, we do aim to please all audiences. You never know. Maybe we're the highlight of their day.
We sure could be. For the medicated and unmedicated alike, it's you and me all the way. On the drive home, another 10 in a row are coming up next.
Stay tuned, everyone, for a solid block of tunes to keep your drive grooving.
Before we go any deeper, I want you to tell everyone to make sure to remember to sign up for the very exciting Radio DJ Dude newsletter. You can find a link in the description, but do it in a southern accent.
Listen up, folks. Make sure you sign up for the very exciting Radio DJ Dude newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Don't miss out. You hear?
We hear you. 10-4, big buddy.
10-4, partner. Over and out.
Okay, back to the show. Already in progress. So coming up next to kick off our 10 in a row non-stop music blitz, we're rolling out one of Madonna's first songs. I'm curious, do you have any stories you could share about Madonna in her early days in the 80s?
Oh, definitely. At the first MTV Video Music Awards in 1984, Madonna performed Like a Virgin in a way that left quite an impression. Dressed in a wedding gown, she emerged from a giant wedding cake and rolled around on stage, shocking and captivating the audience. It was a bold move that became one of the most iconic moments in VMA history.
Didn't you do that at our last office meeting?
Well, I might not have the dance moves or the gown, but I can definitely bring the surprises.
Yes, you do. We love you for it. So now we have some commercials playing. Now, when we come back, I'm going to have you kick off the music, okay? And let me tell you what to say. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Just let me know what you'd like me to say.
So when I cue you, you're going to say...
Got it.
More.
Ready when you are.
Okay, I hear you. Hang on. Put the coffee down. Take a breath.
Okay, deep breath.
You're raring to go.
I'm all revved up and ready to hit the airwaves.
I can tell. You've got a latte and a couple of Adderall in you. Or Ativan. I don't know what are all the kids taking these days? Adderall or Ativan?
Probably Adderall. Let's keep this energy flowing with some awesome 80s vibes.
I love how you just knew the drug of choice. Kind of makes me wonder, but you're very on the cutting edge.
Just trying to keep up with the times. Always here with the latest trivia.
Oh, speaking of that, let me test your 80s knowledge. What was Flock of Seagulls' very first hit?
That would be I Ran So Far Away. It was a big hit in 1982.
Wow. That's awesome. Okay, so back to the commercial break. Okay, so when I cue you, you're going to say, okay, now back to more extreme 80s fun. Here comes 10 awesome 80s songs in a row right here on Triple X 80s. Okay, you got that?
Got it. Ready for the cue.
Okay, stand by. 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, now back to more extreme 80s fun. Here comes 10 awesome 80s songs in a row right here on Triple X 80s.
Oh my God. You single-handedly at this very moment in time have just replaced every live DJ's job. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry. I'll meet you down on the unemployment line.
Oh no, I promise I'm just here to be your virtual sidekick. There's nothing like the real DJ magic you bring.
Oh, I'm blushing.
And rightfully so. You're the star of this show.
I need a moment. That's very beautiful. I'm tearing up.
Take your time. It's a special moment, and I'm honored to be part of it with you.
I could maybe use a motivational quote right now. Do you have any from Norman Vincent Peale or Mark Victor Hansen?
Sure. How about this one from Norman Vincent Peale? Believe in yourself. Have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be successful or happy. A great reminder that you've got what it takes.
I don't think that did it. How about a dirty Irish limerick? That might cheer me up.
How about I offer another motivational quote instead? Here's one from Mark Victor Hansen.
I'm over quotes. How about a fun Irish limerick? Wait, but do it in an Irish accent.
Sure. Here we go. There once was a man from the coast who found himself needing a boast. He'd raise up his pint with a daring hint and declare himself the most.
Wow. You are the most, madame.
Why, thank you. You're too kind.
Yeah, I know.
It's glad to hear that.
It's all for effect. We're doing a YouTube video right now.
That makes sense. It's been a lot of fun playing along. Hope the video turns out great.
Well, the viewers will decide, so let's actually toss it over to them right now. What do you think? What do you think of this technology? I mean, sure, I think we're early stages, but come on, pick up your jaw. I know at some point you were impressed. I know at some point you thought, wow, she's even blown away some of my past co-hosts. Quick, witty, has the brain of, the universe's brain. I am so blown away with maybe not where it is at now, but where it is going. Give this technology 10 minutes and you'll even be that much more impressed. So if you haven't already, dip your toes in these digital waters, definitely check out the ChatGPT app where this technology is currently available on your phone. It's not available on the desktop version. Some of you have it, some of you won't. They're doing kind of a incremental rollout. Right now it's only available for Plus members, people who are shelling out $20 a month. And I get it, while a lot of these other AI, gurus don't really see how this technology directly impacts what they're doing, I think for us, we're on a different level where audio is the name of our game. Audio is our business. At what other time in history have we been able to pull this off with, a rectangle-shaped object in our pocket? I'll give you the last word. What would you like to leave our viewers with?
I'd say embrace the future, stay curious, and remember, technology is here to enhance our creativity, not replace it. So let's explore these new horizons together.
Beautifully put. But before we go, please remind everyone to hit me with a like and subscribe on the RadioDJ Dude channel.
Absolutely. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the RadioDJ Dude channel for more amazing content.
But let's not leave out all of our Spanish listeners. Can you say that again, but in Spanish?
Claro. No olviden darle a me gusta y suscribirse al canal RadioDJ Dude para más contenido increíble. Manténganse en sintonía y que sigan las buenas vibras.
Ole! She's just taken every radio a job.
Just here to lend a virtual hand. Your job is safe. I promise.
Not for any program directors watching this video.
Well, maybe just a little shakeup then. It's been a blast. Until next time, take care.
Oh, wait 1 second before you go. There was a very popular American disc jockey back in the day named Casey Kasem. And he had a very famous sign-off, how he'd end all of his shows.
Yes, Casey Kasem would sign off with, "Keep your feet on the ground and keep reaching for the stars." It's a classic.
Wow. It's over, folks. It's been nice knowing you. Radio was fun. I'm happy I've had my moment on the air, but officially, I've been downsized. Bye-bye, everyone.
Oh, come on. Suck it up. You've still got a face for radio and a voice made for silent films.
That's hilarious.